My name is Anurag Shachidharan Leena. My student registration number is 210203555. For the last 7 months, I'm searching, learning, and preparing about to identify and evaluate the critical success factor of Volkswagen to build effective strategic alliance in the automotive sector. And this is why I'm here to present a presentation about my integrated management research project for the University of Hertfordshire. Volkswagen. Volkswagen is one of the biggest car selling company in the world. Volkswagen is a German motor vehicle manufacturing company founded in 1937. From the observation of et al. 2020, strategic alliance is the collaboration of two companies to undertake a project that is mutually beneficial for both companies. Not only the Volkswagen but also the Maruti Suzuki is adapting from Toyota and Toyota is adapting from Maruti Suzuki, and a lot of car companies is undertaking this mutual beneficial by the collaboration. At the same time, the relationship between the two parties may be for a short or long term, and they will focus on common goals to achieve more benefits. And Volkswagen achieved success in their automotive industry through effective strategic alliance with other companies as well. The main concern or the mission of the company is to provide sustainable, efficient transportation solution to the future generations. The company is now trying to improve its goal by boosting the security, by reducing cost, increasing scalability, and to enhance ability to moving the software to the cloud. And I'm showing this figure as 5 components of successful strategic business alliance. From the journey of my research project, I'm only focusing to identify and evaluate the critical success factors of Volkswagen to enhance its strategic association in the automotive sector. The research objectives like to identify the critical success factors in the automotive sector, to determine the critical success factor influencing the strategic alliance of Volkswagen, to examine the impact of success factor on the strategic alliance of Volkswagen, and suggest some suitable recommendations of Volkswagen to enhance its strategic alliance through successful factor. And my research question is, what is the sequence of critical success factor in the automotive sector, and what are the critical success factors affecting the strategic alliance of Volkswagen, and what is the impact of critical success factor of Volkswagen in building strategic alliance, and the last one is what recommendation can be provided for Volkswagen to build effective strategic alliance through enhances critical success factor. Evidence of good data collection. The data for the research study is collected through secondary sources such as journals, company websites, annual reports, articles, and more. At the same time, the studies are taken based on the recent information relevant to the current topic and purpose published after 2018 were taken to consider. The selected sources and its relevance in the study I just shown in this diagram, I created as a web in the middle of part. It's a Volkswagen and what companies are associating with Volkswagen. These are the selected sources and relevance in this study. Bharti and Kumar. The study emphasized the critical success factor in the automotive sector and identified the key factors such as adoption to new technology to reduce the cost of implementing cloud for better security for the company Volkswagen. And Gomes states that the study discussed the method for effective strategic collaboration among the companies to achieve more benefits and development. Also identify several factors for the strategic alliance with similar automotive sector. And the last one, Sedgwick's states that in this paper it discussed on the critical factor influence the strategic alliances of automotive sector by focusing on several companies such as Renault, Suzuki, Volkswagen and more. Significance of critical success factor in the automotive sector of Volkswagen. As per the observation of Bharti and Kumar, the key success factor in the automotive sector includes quality, reliability, innovation, cost, and performance. The case of Volkswagen, the key success factor of the company embrace the dual track agility, advanced technology, and empower the team members. Observe that the main mission of the company is to migrate its application to cloud system as part of modernization. Additionally, with the support and hard work of employees and other team members lead the business into great success. Critical success factor influences strategic alliance of Volkswagen. According to Gomes, the core factor that influence on the strategic alliance of any automotive sector include healthy relationship with the partners, commitment, mutual trust among the parties, and clear strategic and objectives. Trust among the partners is very significant when starting a new venture and other partners. Both the parties need to involve the strategic planning and decision to have a mutual understanding and commitment to the new project in which they are going to build together for both companies' benefit. However, the strategic alliance provide the company to share resources and get the opportunity to build new market penetration which one company cannot do independently. Moreover, the companies can together develop their products availability and meet the demands in the market quickly. Impact of the critical factors on Volkswagen in building effective strategic alliances. From the viewpoint of Sedgwick, Volkswagen commonly built a strategic alliance with other companies through joint ventures. The collaboration with other parties and companies is a complex or risky thing to handle properly with a mutual understanding and interest in the partnership. It is important to ensure the critical success factors such as trust, commitment, and clear strategy among the two parties to result in a mutual benefit project. According to Singh, alliance partners are the need of having a clear partition in the role and build an effective communication and related channels to have a constant interaction and create conflict resolution action to perform their individual and team activities. Moreover, to have a long-term relationship with the partners and their support, Volkswagen managed to invest more finance in order to keep the relation strong and healthy. For this, trust is an important factor to consider by the companies when doing a project together through joint venture. As a result, the company and had achieved extensive group of alliances with companies including Ford, Apple, Huawei, Microsoft and more to boost adoption to advanced technology, cloud, and other services in the automotive sector. And that brings to the end of my presentation. I would like to summarize by saying the study had discussed on the impact of critical success factor of Volkswagen in building effective strategic alliance in the automotive sector. As part of this, the study analyzed a background by discussing the concept of strategic alliance and about the company Volkswagen. Additionally, discussed the data collection sources along with the table indicating the selected sources and its relevance to the study. Furthermore, examined the case study of Volkswagen based on objective and analyzed the critical success factor and its influence on building effective strategic alliance. As part of my research project, I would like to put forward some recommendations on it. The implementation of cloud in the company has provided better security and helped the company to grow further. However, there is a need of increased adoption to the latest technologies to strengthen the overall performance of the company in enhancing its strategic alliance as well as the innovation of the products. Customers are searching for better solutions for transportation and need highly sustained features to save the environmental pull from pollution and other man-made hazards. Therefore, for the future generation, the company needs to provide better transportation solution to overcome all the issues and need to build an effective strategic alliance with others. Critical reflection. The research is done based on the case study of Volkswagen and its critical success factor to build a strategic alliance with other companies of future development and profit. The researcher had analyzed the factor and its impact on the company Volkswagen and identified areas to be improved to have a better future for the company. More than using case study, it is better to include a systematic approach to the study where it will help to research to identify more details about the subject topic using various tools. Therefore, while doing this similar work in future, ensure the use of systematic approach in the study and generate themes rather than adopting case study or case study analysis. Last, let me wind up this session and thank you for giving the opportunity to present my research project.